see 4 trees here, what it means is you have actually installed the extension, right? So I've connected to a domain which has a folder called management service extension created, and I have a WAR file inside it, and I've restarted the domain. So I'm seeing this fourth option here. Okay. Now let me go to the edit tree. The first activity that I'll try to do is maybe let's try to create a server. Okay, I'll go to environment, servers. I already have 3 servers here. Let me create another server. New, and I call this test server. And let me just copy all the configurations from, say, admin server. Okay. Now don't worry about the port and all that because I don't plan to start this managed server. So I'm just going to keep it there, save. Now go back to servers. You can see that there are 4 servers now, right? The test server was newly created. I'm in the edit tree. So now let me go to the config view tree. Okay, again, there are options here which says environment, servers, and so on. But what happened here? I don't see the 4th server here, the test server. Now what happened is I created a server, but I have not activated changes in the old terms, right? So in the sense, I've not gone to the shopping cart and I've not committed the change. Right? See there's a shopping cart and there's something pending. When I click on that view changes, see, I created a server, but I've not activated it. I've not committed the change. So whatever you see on the config view tree is the current configuration, which is already committed. Now the edit tree, you can make some changes there, but unless you commit it, it is not an actual configuration which is there, which is saved in a config.xml, and it is not something which is actually activated, right? So let me go ahead and quickly commit this change. Okay, so now let me go to the config view tree, environment, servers, and now I see all the 4 servers. Looks good, right? But how do I know if the servers are running or not? Where is the state of the server? I did not see it in the edit tree. I did not see it in the config view tree. So there is another tree there, which is called as the monitoring tree on the left, the 3rd tree. So what it does is it gives me all the runtime information and the state of the service. So here, when I go to servers, I can see the admin server is running, and the other 3 servers which are there, they're in a different state, unreachable. They're not started. So this monitoring tree is mainly used to see the status of things, right? In this case, it was the status of the server. All right, so I hope it's clear as to what is the difference between an edit tree, where you edit the changes, a config view tree, wherein you view the configuration, and a monitoring tree, wherein you actually monitor